म्यूजिक हमारी फिल्मों में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ म्यूजिक।
जिले रंग चढ़दा ए फुल्लां नू इंज रंग चढ़या तेरे बुल्लां नू।
So I think it is different from those films, but of course I've learnt a lot from people like Meera Nair and Dibakar Banerjee and of course Karan Johar and a lot of the other directors I've worked with.
पलक तेरी जदों खुल खुल जावे नैना वाली विस्की।
See, the script of My Name is Khan was very interesting, so I wanted to be a part of that project.
नैना वाली विस्की डुल डुल जावे तेरे नैना वाली विस्की डुल डुल जावे।
But I've always known that Praveen is a very, very fine actor, like you said.
रंग चढ़दा ए फुल्लां नू इंज रंग चढ़या तेरे बुल्लां नू।
Hi, I'm Preeti Jhangiani.
And this is Praveen Dabas, and you're watching us on Bollywood Hangama.
We have today the producers of Sahi Dhande Galat Bande, Parveen Dabas and Preeti Jhangiani, and Parveen is also acting and he's also the writer-director of the film. Pleasure having you on Bollywood Hangama first of all.
Thanks so much.
जब लगती है तो पाछे से ही लगती है।
Turning a producer and a director, how's the feeling like for your first film?
Right now, the feeling is more of course, director, because producer की टोपी इन्होंने पहनी हुई है mostly. लेकिन of course production house दोनों का है. लेकिन मैंने mostly इस film पे as a director concentrate किया and of course as a writer also.
Okay.
You can say क्योंकि अभी वो process चल ही रहा है, तो पूरी तरह से उसको मैं absorb नहीं कर पाया हूँ. आई थिंक 2-3 दिन बाद रिलीज के बाद फिर उसको एक्सपीरियंस जो हुआ है उसको अच्छी तरह से अब्जॉर्व करूंगा, बट इट्स बीन रियली चैलेंजिंग एंड इट्स बीन एक्साइटिंग एज वेल।
इस अगस्त तेरी टांग तोड़ वीडियोस बनेंगे।
So as a producer, what is it that you've been doing? We've been seeing that you've been aggressively marketing the film and all on Twitter and all.
You've been seeing that.
retweeting
I'm
all
glad you're
stuff.
saying that. I'm glad you're saying that. Yes, a lot of things are involved. You know, it's not marketing is just the last thing that you finally do. Of course, it's the most important, and it's it's been quite crazy.
Sure.
Yeah, it's very different. I mean, I've been acting all this time, and yes, of course, being a producer is very different, very challenging.
Okay.
And a lot more time to spend on the film. We've been working on it for quite some time now.
Definitely.
As an actor, of course, you just work on it for you know the amount of time that you're required for acting.
दो गैंग बिना बंदूक के लड़ेंगे।
So as a producer, how do you just judge your film now? Considering you've been an actor, you've been part of I think one of the biggest hits of all times, Mohabbatein. So do you think that public के लिए कुछ है that people should be coming
I
forward?
can safely say, number one, that I'm very proud of the film that's turned out. And it's something I'm very happy and very excited for the
You're saying
audience
as
to see.
detached manner or
I always speak in a detached manner. I don't want to be biased, and I've tried to keep that throughout while we've been making the film, while we've been scripting the film, while we've been making it, while we've been even afterwards. It's very important for a person to be biased. I don't know how far one can detach oneself. because
Obviously.
it's your own baby. But at the end
subjectivity
of
is and objectivity
But
is
at the end
kind
of the day, what I'm
subjective.
speaking to is I'm trying to be as biased as non-biased as possible.
Sure.
And yes, I think we've put out a very good product, and we've not put out a product which is just entertaining. It is entertaining as well, but I think at the end of the day, it has a soul.
What is the budget of the film? You like to
It's a
share?
good budget.
It's a
It's
good
the correct budget.
Now we can say because it's releasing tomorrow with the total budget is 4.5.
Including print publicity?
Yeah.
Which is pretty good. In fact.
Yeah.
And you're thinking of
And I can very honestly say we've put in much more in print and publicity. We were able, as producers, to get a lot of favors. A lot of things that people have to pay for, we got through barter, through other things, this and that. So there's a lot of production value in the film which didn't hurt our pocket. You know, if we were to have paid for everything, the PNP plus the total budget plus PNP of this film would have been between 6 and 7.
now these days the satellite is I think a very good source as well. So have you spoken to any television channels already?
A couple
You
of
haven't?
couple of channels contacted us some time back, but we didn't at that point of time, want to we wanted it to heat up a little more like now. So a lot of people have still requested for screenings and everything. Then even the overseas digital rights and blah blah blah, all of that is being negotiated as we speak.
How many prints are you coming out with?
It's 400 as of now.
Now, obviously, you come with a certain sensibility because you're the actor who was part of Monsoon Wedding. And Ghosla.
भाई वो जिधर भी मिलते यहाँ ना मिलते, समझे?
आप कौन है?
मैं तेरा फूफा हूँ, ओमवीर। बोल, क्या कर लेगा?
Two, I think, very nice films. You came across as very nicely as an actor as well. So does that benefit you when you just approach people?
I'll be very frank with you. I think people will be surprised when they see the film because वो जो films की sensibilities हैं, ये इस film की थोड़ी सी अलग है. ये you can say is a mixture of those kind of sensibilities with a desi touch. Because it's set in a rural background plus urban background also.
Right.
You know, so I feel this is a little more raw, a little more energetic. So I think it is different from those films. But of course, I've learned a lot from people like Meera Nair and Dibakar Banerjee and of course Karan Johar and a lot of the other directors I've worked with.
How do you just look at him as an actor? It's been quite some time that he's been acting and he has delivered some really fine performances. So as an actor, how do you rate him maybe out of 10 if you have to?
I can't rate him. It's very difficult to rate an actor. I think it's a difficult thing to do. Okay. But I've always known that Praveen is a very, very fine actor, like you said. He's somebody who can play a lot of wide variety of characters, which is what we can see. If you see like from a Monsoon Wedding to a Khosla to Sahi Dhande.
इज्जत बचाने के लिए
कुछ तो की होगी किसी ने
बड़े दिन से नहीं किए।
कपड़े उतारने पड़ेंगे।
और शर्म आती हो तो जांघिया पहन लियो।
Your role in My Name is Khan, it was small, but still, I think you made your presence felt. It was noticed, in fact. Yeah. So, are you open to those kind of roles in the future if it's coming from say big banners and big star cast?
I'm open, but not so much. If it's really interesting, of course, I wanted to work with Karan, and I knew the script of My Name is Khan was very interesting. So I wanted to be a part of that project. Sure. Not so much probably for the role, but more so to to work with Karan and for to be a part of that kind of a film. Sure. But I don't want to get into that rut because लोग बहुत ही आसानी से आपके ऊपर एक स्टीरियोटाइप स्टैम्प, वो आपके इंटेंशंस नहीं देखते, वो यही देखते हैं कि they can say anything. Sure. So one has to be careful of that also.
तुम्हारा फ़ोन नंबर नहीं था, नहीं तो मैं पहले ही फ़ोन करके बता देता कि ये रिजवान खान की मैं कहानी कवर नहीं कर पाऊँगा। मेरा स्केड्यूल बहुत बिजी है, अगले 2 महीने तक बिल्कुल भी वक्त नहीं है।
There's also another perception that you had a Ghosla, which I think went on to become a sleeper hit. Almost everyone benefited from that. Boman Irani, I think, benefited hugely. He did so many films after that. Same with, I think, Ranveer Shuri and other people as well. Why was it that you did not go ahead and sign more films? You could have, I think, I'm sure that there must have been many more offers.
See, I did sign 3 films. Unfortunately, they didn't do as well as they should have via Darjeeling, Sirf and Ye Mera India. And apart from My Name is Khan. Lekin jaise aapko malum, that's how the industry is. You don't, a lot of things you can say in hindsight. But, you take the decisions based on, what you think. Sometimes you make the right decisions, sometimes you make the wrong decisions. And ups and downs sabke saath hote hain. So that's not something I sit and worry about so much. मैं उन चीज़ों की फिक्र करता हूँ जो मेरे हाथ में है, जो मेरे कंट्रोल में है.
There's something about the camaraderie in the film. We are seeing all you guys are together. And what exactly are you doing in the film? And what are the? I believe you have 4 guys.
That's right.
So what exactly is the?
The 4 guys are Rajbir, me, Sexy, Doctor, and Amani. And in the beginning, we were breaking people's legs and kidnapping people. That's a very small, that's a background kind of thing. That's what we do. But actually, these 4 guys, they come up against, they get a contract through their boss, a guy called Fauji, played by Sharad Saxena, in which they will make a lot of money. They tend to make a lot of money, but they'll have to literally sell their souls for that and go against the village to which they belong. Sure. So do they do that, or do they go with their conscience? That's kind of the story of this film.
What's the duration like?
It's exactly 2 hours.
Exactly 2 hours.
Yeah.
All right.
मस्त कलंदर मैं बनया मस्त कलंदर है मस्त कलंदर मैं बनया मस्त कलंदर
Message as in like, what exactly do you mean by message?
Well, now we can say it because it's the primary theme of the film. What these guys are fighting for is land acquisition. You know, and today's day and time, that's a very, very important topic all over India. You know, up till now, people have been asking me, is it very Delhi-centric? बाकियों लोगों को समझ में आएगा या नहीं? And it is a kind of film because of the subject matter that can be set anywhere in India. It just happens to be set in Delhi. Sure. But land acquisition is something that was very close to my heart, as in I was very involved with it, and it's something I wanted to say something about, but through the medium of entertainment without lessening the importance of the subject. तो एक वो जो fine balance था, that's what I've tried to do both in the writing and the directing. Whether I have managed to or not is what people and you know, the press will tell me whether I've achieved that or not.
Good time, like entertainment value that you mentioned, is it like nano wali whiskey? That is the idea?
Yeah, why not? You know, I think see, music हमारी फिल्मों में बहुत important है, and I'm a big fan of music also. You know, I feel as long as you're not pushing it, अगर आप जब film देखेंगे, you'll see, and people have mentioned that already, that the songs are very well integrated into the film.
नैना वाली विस्की नैना वाली विस्की डुल डुल जावे नैना वाली विस्की डुल डुल जावे
Good music is very, very important for our films, and I'm a big fan of it, and I always want to have you know, great music in my films.
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका ड्यूरिंग द शूटिंग ऑफ सही धंधे गलत बंदे? Where all have you shot it, and what are the total number of days that you shot?
We've shot it in and around Delhi. We've shot a major portion of it in a small village called Kanjhavla as well.
Which is, I think, your native town.
That's
Which
right.
is Parveen's native village.
ये पैसे बचाने का एक वो प्रोडक्शन बजट वैसा कंट्रोल होता है.
Something about you guys. It's been a few years that you guys have been married. So how's been the life post marriage and all?
The first year and a half, of course, we were able to you know, fully enjoy. The last year and a half, 2 years, of course, I've been busy with this film. You know, as a producer and director on this film more so.
It's been great, of course. People keep asking me, how's your life changed after marriage and everything, and I keep saying that it's not changed at all, you know. We're living the same life, and you know, we're having a great time.
What are you doing next after this?
Taking a holiday. We're going to take a break for a month because it's been really, really hectic. Sure. I have in the last 6 months said no to about 4 films. I do have about 5-6 scripts to read. I've requested everybody to hold on, and there are 3 other projects in our production house also. We'll decide which one to do next. So, but at the same time, like I said, we want to take a holiday, and I'll do all of this planning and reading during that 1 month break.
Fantastic. That was Parveen Dabas and Preeti Jhangiani talking about their film Sahi Dhande Galat Bande. They've also just told us various aspects about the production plans and what all has happened, what is the number of, what is the budget of the film, and what are the kind of markets that they're possibly aiming at, and the satellite rights, I think, for a film like this can be quite crucial. They've also discussed about life post-marriage and what are the forthcoming plans, and what sort of films Parveen should be doing, according to Preeti and according to Parveen himself. And yes, Preeti says that if there's a good role coming her way, so she'd love to come back to acting once again. Thank you very much for being on Bollywood.
Thanks,
Lovely to have you,
Thank
and
you.
all the best wishes.
Thank you.
For your personal and your professional life as well.
Thanks so much.
That's all we have from Bollywood. Keep on watching.